Welcome to Top Investors Web Trader tutorial, where you will learn how to use the enhanced Top Investors function to capture the effect of shareholder changes. This enhanced solution includes daily updates with a 2 trading day delay with up to 5 years of historical data. The data covers Norwegian companies. The Top Investor function requires an additional package, which you can subscribe to via my profile. Once you have subscribed to the Top Investors package, the function is available on the instrument page of a company, where you will need to select Top Investors. As default, Top Investors are categorized by the number of shares, ownership, and value. However, this can easily be changed by clicking on the other columns. For instance, if you want to sort and filter on change in shares, click on the highlighted columns and the list will automatically update accordingly. Change the time period by either choosing date from and to, or by using one of our predefined options from 1 day to 5 years. Based on the time period you have chosen, you can look at previous, current, and new investors. This makes it easy to analyze a company's changes in ownership over time. The Positions tab at the top right of the current investors list shows how the position of an investor has changed during the time. This is visualized within a chart. As an example, we can see that KBC Bank have gradually reduced their position in Aker within the last week. However, JP Morgan have maintained their position throughout the same time period. It is also possible to view which holdings specific investors hold in Norwegian companies. For instance, look at Arctic Funds plc, and you can view previous, current, and new holdings for a selected time period. Should you have any questions, please be sure to reach out to your broker directly. And now you are ready to track, analyze, and capture the effects of shareholder changes.